Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to fix not enough disk space on Steam Fast in Windows 11. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So for this, you need to simply tap open your Steam app. Once you open your Steam app, you can simply go to your Steam settings by tapping on the settings option. Once you are there, all you gotta do is simply open the download option from your Steam. So once you're in your account, you need to go and tap open download to open your downloads. And once you're in your downloads as well, you need to click on the clear cache option and you will be having free space in your Steam. So the next step is to simply free up space on your PC as well. You can go to your local disk and simply search for disk cleanup and you can simply clean it up. So by doing this, you can simply fix not enough disk space on Steam Fast in Windows 11. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video. We will be back again really soon.